Okay, so in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to rank your z-scores and then ultimately again pick the best uh, 5 athletes out of these 15. So the very first thing we need to do is we need to go to variable view down here in the bottom left, and I want to add a couple of variables. All right, so I'm going to click on number 6 and I'm going to insert a variable, and I'm going to click on number 8. I'm going to insert a variable, and here I'm going to put rank agility. Here I'm going to put rank strength. Here I'm going to put rank vertical jump. And then over here I'm going to put total rank. All right, and I'll show you what these all mean. So I'm going to change these variables here to scales. All right, so that should all be a scale. And again, everything here, your subject can stay nominal. All right, so if I go back to my data view, I've got these variable cells that are empty. So I want to rank my z-score. So in Canvas, I said when you're measuring something that is time related, you want to assess the negative z-score below the mean has a better value, all right, because that means they're running faster than the mean. So for instance, if my average run time is 10 seconds and somebody runs 8 seconds, that means they're 2 seconds below the average, all right? So we have to pay attention to what variable it is we're measuring and how that's being measured. So I'm going to take agility here, and I'm going to go up here to data, and I'm going to sort the cases. I'm going to move subject out for now, and I am going to sort my z-score of agility, and I'm going to sort it in descending order. All right, and I'm going to click OK. I'm going to go back to my data file. All right, and so now that I've ranked these, I've got, remember that the positive is the least or the slowest, and it makes sense because this person ran 11.3 seconds on the agility test and this person ran 6.5, and I'm going to rank there. And I'm just going to type these numbers in. So I know that there's 15 people and this has put it in order, so this is very helpful. And I'm going to do 15, 14. You've got two of the same, you're going to give them the same value. Okay, so I don't have a 1 because I've used two of them up here. I'm going to do the same thing with strength. However, I'm going to go back here to data. The other thing I want you to pay attention to here is that it changed my subjects, all right, because it put subject number 15 ran the slowest. Subject number 1 ran the fastest, okay? I'm going to go back to data. I'm going to sort my cases, and this time I'm going to move agility out, and I'm going to put strength in, and I'm going to keep it in descending order, and I'm going to click OK. You go back to my data file here. All right, and now I'm just going to rank these as 1s, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I'm ranking these individuals, and I'm going to do the same thing with vertical jump. I'm going to go to data, and I'm going to go to sort cases, and I'm going to move my z-scores over. I'm going to do z-scores for vertical jump. I'm going to select that. And again, I'm going to rank these 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so you'll notice that I've got a total rank. So the thing that I want to do is I want to get the total rank value here. In fact, let me just take this out because it's going to ask me. I'm clear that for right now. So I want to add all of my rank variables because I want the best 5 subjects, right? So in SPSS, you can go to data and you can calculate a variable. I'm sorry, you go to transform. Go to transform and you compute a variable, and you can see that I have, let me reset this so I can redo it for you. So here I'm going to put my target variable as total rank, and I'm going to say my total rank is equal to my ranking of agility plus my rank of strength plus my rank of vertical jump. I'm going to move that in there, and I'm going to click OK. So when I go back, what this is going to do, it's going to add my rank. So 16 is a result of 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 12. That gives me 16. All right, so I want the best 5 athletes. So I'm going to take my rank column, I'm going to go to data, and I'm going to go to sort cases, and in this case I'm going to sort them by total rank. And I'll move that over, and I'm going to go descending, and I'm going to click OK. So now it ranks my athletes from ranks them from the lowest ranked athlete to the best ranked athlete. So if I wanted to pick my top 5, I could actually rank these the other way, which would probably make a little bit more sense. So let me sort these cases. I'm going to do total rank. Let's do ascending. Okay, and that's going to take that back. Okay, so this person was ranked number 9, which is actually the lowest ranking variable, which means they did the best. So person number 3, then person number 1, then person number 8, person number 11, and person number 10. So those are my top 5 athletes. Okay, so I might have to look at 10 and 7 because these guys are both ranked the same. So that's the way that you would determine how do I pick the best 5 athletes out of 15 given the measures that you are using. So this is a pretty useful tool, especially for you guys coaching who you have to ultimately decide who's going to be the best athlete and who's going to be on your team.